Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we're playing some more Flood Escape. I know I've played it for a long time, but oh yeah, okay. So let's just hop right into this gameplay. So you may wonder, why am I having this skin? Well, it's because a man gave me his account and he said keep it, and he wanted me to. He said you can do whatever with it, but he just wanted some levels, or she just wanted some levels on this game. So yeah, good day, Fat One Lover. Yeah, he's a fan. So yeah, one sec. This is the username right there. Could have paused it or something. Oh no, almost died. So yeah, we're just playing some Flood Escape. I like playing Flood Escape. And this is basically my third account, cause I have multiple accounts. Like Good Day Fat One. That's why she's such a fan, cause I made an account called Good Day Fat One. That's one of my old accounts. So yeah, I just like playing this game. It's neat. Oh no, I'm dead. Whoo! Oh dang, and I'm dead. Like everyone else. Also, there was a update on Lumber. Sorry. There was an update on Lumber Tycoon, or 2 actually. You could, when you click on someone, there's a VR feature. I think it's for VR, but you can do VR on it with Mangry. Yeah, I'll link Mangry's YouTube channel down below. He is a good man. Get on my way, boy. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Sorry for you hear clicking, so I'm just muting my microphone. Lots of background noise. Okay, yeah, someone wants us to die. No, no, no. Wow. Greedy. Comment down below what you want me to play next, so yeah. Hopefully someone comments something. No one actually does, only Notch watches my video. Nah, I'm kidding. Some people watch, like, my most popular video right now is how to get the Rookery X. I'm actually surprised how well that happens, but Greenville videos are doing good too. If you've never seen those, you should go check them out. Okay, no one's gonna get. Okay, yeah, too. Okay, there's good. I always like to play this game when I'm bored, so definitely should try this game out. Flood Escape. I will link this game down below. I think I said that once or twice. Oh wow, it's kind of like laggy. Yeah, OBS, really? You do this to me? Why did you do this to me? I used to like go through this no problem. I also got Save the World mode on Fortnite. I'm probably gonna do a video. It depends if it's laggy or not, but the missions take so long, so it's gonna be kind of hard. And we survived. Yay, 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 yeah. So I'm basically just getting levels for this person. So yeah. I've never done this one before, but I remember I was like going through it like so smooth last time. I was like trying to end the video and like, oh, okay, thank you guys for watching, and I was just smoothly doing it. No one's gonna get the button. Really? No! Ah, go on. My brother's playing Fortnite and he's so obnoxious. Wow, Thomas. I'm doing a video, come on. Yeah, he's, oh my gosh, he's just so. Okay, we're back in here. Okay, Thomas, please, seriously, not gonna ask you again. Brothers. Let's just do this last obstacle. Yeah, I want to do it all off camera and try to get this the level 50 like my other one. Play this game a lot, so yeah. Sorry I'm not uploading so much videos, and yeah, because just kind of hard sometimes. I have lots of stuff to do, like homework and a bunch of that stuff. Do a bunch of stuff for people, and did upload quite a lot of videos a day, but that pace is not going anymore for some reason. I gotta sneeze. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching through this video. Yep, I am just playing on this count to get the levels for this, for her. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. See you, subscribe, like, and this game will be linked. See you guys.